My good name is Anne Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do mixed berry cobbler. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are, we have our flour 300 grams, we have our baking powder 15 grams, we have our sugar 160 grams, we have our margarine 160 grams, we have our desiccated coconuts 100 grams, and we also have our milk 90 grams. And here are our 3 pellets of strawberry, raspberry and blueberry. What I did, I took a spoon of icing sugar and I sprinkled it so that it absorbs the sugar, so that when I'm preparing or when you're eating, it's not bitter. They tend to have a little bit of bitterness. So that's what I did. So to start, we are going to make the mix. Our flour and our baking powder, we mix it together. Then we incorporate our sugar and our desiccated coconut. We also mix. Then, after we have done that, we take our margarine, and this time I will use my hands to make it crumble, to crumble it. I really enjoy doing this. Then when it's like this, I now add my wet ingredient, which is our milk. Now this is our cobbler mix. We have already incorporated everything and it's very nice. Our mix is ready. and it's ready. And our mix is ready. Our mixed blueberry cobbler is ready to be baked in the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until it is ready. Our mixed berry cobbler, you can see how it is. It's purple at the bottom and here it's crunchy, very nice. Please try it. It's a very nice dessert taken after the main dish. It's very nice. Try mine and come back to my comment section and let me know. Let's share how your experience was and how you felt it. I'll be so happy. Now we're going to be scooping so that you see how it baked from inside. Let's scoop and see how it is from inside. Look how it is. It's jammy. It's very nice. It's like a cake. Our mixed berry cobbler, very nice. You can see how it's jammy from the bottom. It's a very nice dessert, very tasty, very sweet. It's a dessert that you really need to try it. It's very filling and you'll enjoy it. So let me test that. I tell you how it tastes. But I have already tested it before. It's not my first time. Very nice. Very nice. It's crunchy. It's jammy. And I used fresh fruits. You saw them. Very nice. Please try it and let me know. Engage me in your comments. And if there's any other thing that you'd like to see me try, please leave me a comment on the comment section. I'll be so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.